Overband magnetic separator. In this video, our Overband magnetic separator is installed in glass plant to separate non-ferrous impurities. Overbands are used to protect a machine from crushers, shredders, grinders and screw conveyors. And it has an advantage of low maintenance and long belt life. Our Overband magnetic separator is providing the best service in many industries like foundries, coal mines, cement works, food, sponge iron, charcoal, glass, chemical and domestic waste recycling plants. To know more about our Overband magnetic separator, visit our website www.jkmagnetic.com. Click on the bell icon to get notified and never miss a new video.